The skinny nigga about to go to work. 9 to 5 rap niggas, they ass is the office clerks. Sweet ass motherfuckers get tossed in syrup. Jug of Kool-Aid ass niggas still get stirred up. It's a must that I bust every mic they hand to me, and bust every pimple on the members of your family. Whole stalking, I call that shit scanning me. They can't get my attention even with the best strand of tree. I don't take handouts, that's just demanding me. You need to stay a fucking fan instead of trying to fucking stand with me. How you wearing both shoes? Did anybody coach you? Cause the tree was put out, now we about to roast you. No Dragon Ball Z, but I go cool. Nutty on the bars, I'm a star, so I'm supposed to. You ain't no shit, boy. The only fat niggas I'm belching with from now on is Fat Boy Wiz and Vic Lloyd. Anything niggas did, I can destroy. I'm bossy, I can employ. This rap you won't enjoy. I cut up meat, bitch. You can be the farm boy. This is murder capital of Illinois. Had a league missing hella niggas like Brandon Roy. Oh, you hungry bitch nigga? Let the fucking sauce void. Return the sender, cause your raps are void. I got big nuts, the father of almond joy. Hit the tree, it feels better when you're coughing. Fucking beats feel much better when you're flossing. I wonder if I can draft the friends. I'm from Chicago where niggas hate to be fans. Get back on the smooth shit. You can't roll up cause your ass always foop shit. Nigga, my raps be on cruise shit, on some leather seats. What the fuck you gon' do, Vic? Nothing. A skinny nigga looking like a brick wall. You run into that shit, your ass gonna fall. Ill individual that's cold in the motherfucking AC, in the fucking snow. Niggas out here wanna rap about V. Subliminal ain't shit to me. I call niggas names out and then put your motherfucking face on the frame now. Let your ass hang out. Bitch ass niggas don't know about Vic Spencer. I'm all the way in friends, smoking swishers. Always talking that shit. I don't know about y'all, so we bout to fucking chop off your lips, fucker. Vic Spencer. This is the Spence Ethic. I works fucking hard. Spit fucking human darts. Work.